Want to lock your phone to just one app so no one can access anything else? In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use app pinning on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy quick and easy Samsung Galaxy tips, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. Enable app pinning. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Next, tap More Security Settings. Now tap Allow apps to be pinned or App Pinning. Turn on the toggle to enable app pinning. You can also enable Lock Phone after unpinning to get extra security. Step 2. Open the app you want to pin. Now open the app you want to lock on the screen. After that, tap the Recent Apps button to view your running apps. Step 3. Pin the app. Tap the app icon at the top of the preview window. Then tap Pin this app. Your phone will now stay locked on that app, and the user won't be able to open other apps. Step 4. Unpin the app. To unpin the app, press and hold the back and Recent Apps buttons simultaneously. If you enabled the security option, your phone will ask for your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint to unlock. And that's how you use app pinning on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.